The Roku Channel app on your Samsung TV may not be working due to several common causes. Let's explore the main reasons and understand why these issues occur. First, outdated app versions can cause compatibility problems with your TV's software, leading to crashes or failure to load content. Second, corrupted cache files can build up over time, slowing down the app or preventing it from functioning properly. Third, incomplete installations can occur if the app wasn't fully downloaded or updated, resulting in missing components. Finally, network issues such as DNS problems or firewall blocks can interfere with the app's ability to connect and stream content. These are the primary reasons why the Roku channel might not work on your Samsung TV. In the following sections, we'll show you simple fixes for each of these problems. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Roku Channel app. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote to open the Smart Hub, where you can access all your apps. Once in the Smart Hub, scroll through the apps to locate the Roku Channel icon. Select it to proceed. With the Roku Channel selected, press and hold the Enter button on your remote to open the Options menu. Choose Update if an update is available. This ensures you have the latest version, which fixes known bugs and improves compatibility. Finally, confirm your Samsung TV firmware is up to date. Navigate to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Install any available updates for the best performance. Clearing the cache removes temporary data that can slow down or break the Roku Channel app. First, navigate to Settings on your Samsung TV. Next, select Apps from the Settings menu to access app management. Then, choose Roku Channel from the Apps list. Finally, select Clear Cache to remove the temporary data. Clearing the cache is a key step in fixing streaming lags and loading errors. Restart the Roku Channel application to see if this resolves the problem. If updating the app and clearing the cache don't resolve the Roku Channel issues on your Samsung TV, try reinstalling as a last resort. This process deletes the app and reinstalls it from the Samsung App Store, wiping out any corrupted files and restoring full functionality in about 70% of unresolved cases. First, delete the Roku Channel app. Go to your Samsung TV settings, select Apps, find the Roku Channel, and choose Delete. This removes the app and any corrupted data. Next, reinstall the app from the Samsung App Store. Open the Apps section, search for Roku Channel, and install the latest version. Ensure your TV firmware is updated and you have a stable internet connection for the download. After reinstallation, log back into your Roku account using your credentials. Then test the app by launching it and trying to stream content to confirm the problem is resolved. A stable internet connection is crucial for the Roku channel to work properly. Make sure you have at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming and 25 Mbps for 4K content. Check your network settings to ensure there are no DNS issues or firewall blocks that might interfere with the Roku channel. Run an internet speed test on your TV to verify your connection meets the requirements. Sometimes advanced network settings cause the Roku channel to fail. Start by restarting your router and modem to clear temporary network issues. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This simple reset often resolves connectivity problems. Next, check if your firewall or parental control settings are blocking the Roku channel. Access your router's admin panel to review security rules and ensure the app has unrestricted access to streaming services. If you're using a VPN, it might be causing routing issues. Temporarily disable your VPN and test the Roku channel. If it works, adjust your VPN settings or contact your provider for compatibility assistance. Looking ahead, AI integration and smart home ecosystems are evolving towards zero-touch fixes. Samsung and Roku are implementing AI-driven diagnostics to automatically detect and fix streaming issues, potentially eliminating manual troubleshooting in the near future. Keep your devices updated to benefit from these advancements.